Can you imagine having an AI avatar that looks and talks with realistic facial expressions and hand movements just like you? It can talk in more than 15 languages in over 300 voices. Just take a look at this.
Wow, oggi è stato il giorno più bello di sempre.
今天真是太棒了！我和朋友们一
Today, I'm going to show you how to create this step by step using your mobile phone. You don't have to be a tech professional or a programmer to use this. It is very simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Yes, the first thing we have to do is to generate our AI image, and to do so, we're going to be using Leonardo AI. So from your browser, just type Leonardo AI. Look at it here. So once it opens, just like in every other app or website, all you need to do is to sign up an account with it. So once you sign up, the first thing you have to do is to click on Get Started. Click on Get Started and then allow it to load. So once it loads, you can as well, for you to be able to use this website comfortably with your mobile phone, first you need to do is click on these three dots and scroll down. You see where we have desktop sites. Please put it on desktop site so that everything will come out big and nice. So once it comes out, the first thing you need to do is to click on image creation. Look at it here, image creation. Click on image creation, and then once it comes up, first thing first, you can select your image dimension depending on the platform you want to post it, whether YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. So in this case, I'm selecting YouTube, which is 16 by 9. And then I'm going to be generating 4 images at once. So once it comes up this way, then you go like this. There are so many options you have to choose from. So now you're going to be pasting your prompts. I'm going to be attaching this prompt in my down below this video, so you can feel free to copy it and use. So once you paste your prompt, then the next thing you need to do, you see where I have generate image, is going to be taking some of your coin. So give it some time to generate the image. All right, so now our image has come up. Now that we are done, we can just download the one we choose. Like me, I'm going to be downloading this one. So to download it, just click on this download button. Look at the download button here. Click on it and download it straight into your gallery. So now we are done. We can now also generate the next image. So I'm going to be pasting the next image to generate it. So just like in the same one, I'll click on generate. So one thing about this image generation is that, you see, now we also have the next image. I think I like this one a lot. You can zoom in and make sure the write-ups on the cloth matches whatever you want to use. I think I like this one a lot. Alright, so I'm going to be downloading this one into my phone. So I'm going to be pasting the stored prompt, and then I'll do well to generate. So remember, as much as you generate, as much as it consumes your coin for each day. So once you're done, we are done generating all the images, then we'll go to the next step. Alright, the image is out. So now I'm going to be checking it out, the one that has the names, everything correct. So alright, so I'm going to be downloading this one. Alright, so now we are done generating our images. Now let me tell you one thing about this creation. You can as well use your personal image, or you can as well, after generating the image, you do a face swap. Like in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to do a face swap with these images, so that at least your content will have a personal connection with your audience, in case you want your audience to just think it's you. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. So now the next thing we want to do is to generate the audios that we're going to be using. Remember, I said this video can talk, it can talk in more than 15 different languages in over 300 voiceovers. So to generate this voiceover, We are going to be going to Minimax Hello. So from your Google, you have to type Minimax Hello. Look at it there. All right, you search for it. This is it here. So just click on it and then give it some time to open. Once it come up, then the first thing I would advise you to do is to click on this three dot here and then go down. Put your browser into desktop site so that everything will come out nicely and you see what you want to do. Then for us to get our audio, we click on this. You see all these icons up here where we have video, chat, and audio. Just click on the audio, and then when the audio comes up, remember I told you you can get up to 15 languages here with about 300 different voiceovers. Now, Minimax had made it possible so that you can be able to clone your own voice. Like if you want to be using your voice in your creation, in your generation, you can do so. And to do so, just click on these three lines here. Click on the three lines. You see where we have voices. Then you see here I have create your voice clone. So you can click on that place. Once you click on it, it will ask you, have two options, either to add a file or to record, add a file or to record, whichever one you choose to do. Like right now, if I want to just add a file, I'll just click here. Then I can either select maybe my video I did or my audio I recorded. I can choose to select any of them to use for this. So now that I've selected it, you can now tick this voice to remove background noise. Then you name your voiceover. You can name it anything you wish to name it. Once you name your voiceover, you select the language that your voiceover appears, and then you tick the terms and condition box, and then you click on convert, and then give it some time to convert your voice.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
So you can see that now it has created your voice for you. Now, if you want to use this voice in your creation, just go back to that three lines there, click on text to speech, and then in this place, in this box here, you're going to be pasting your whatever you want to talk about, your script. Just paste your script here. After pasting your script, then you come here. You can come here and select the language of your script. Like here is an English language. And if you want to change the language, just go to ChatGPT. After generating your script, tell ChatGPT to turn it to which other language you want it to come. Then once you come here, you select that language. Then if you want to select your voiceover, you come here, you can select whichever voiceover. Click on settings. You see where we have settings. Click on it. Then you will have opportunity to select any voiceover of your choice. Just click where you have voices.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice.
If you don't want to use that one, you can as well, like if you go to my history, you will see some ones I've used already. Then from that settings, you can as well choose whichever one you want to use. So now once you're done adding this voiceover, you can now click on generate. Click on generate speech.
Can you imagine having an AI avatar that looks and talks with realistic facial expressions and hand movements just like you?
So once it's done, then you can now click on this button, this download button down below here. Click on it. Once you listen to it and everything is correct, just click on it there and then you download your voice over. And in case, as I said before, you want to change the voiceover, just come to your settings, and then once you click on the settings, you see under your voices, you're going to be seeing all the voiceover, all your voices that you cloned on the app. And then on the library, you'll see about 300 voices that is present there. There you can either select the language you want it to come. You can apply all the filters, the language, the accent, the gender, and the age. So once you apply the filters, it will just bring out, then you can make any selection. Let's just listen to some of the voices.
Each moment unfolds like a vivid painting, where even the subtlest.
In the quiet of dusk, every whispered secret of the city.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine.
If you decide to use any of them you decide to use, just click on use. and then it will select it for you. Then you can use it just the way we did it in the last time. You can as well generate whatever voiceover you want to use. Now the next step we need to take is to generate a realistic avatar, and to do so we are still going to be doing it on this Minimax Hailuo, and we don't have to leave the site, but all we need to do, just as we clicked up there, we clicked on audio. In this case now we are going to be clicking on the video icon, so just click on the video and wait for it to come up. Once you come up, the next thing you need to do is to click on this video creation, then click on try it now. Then once it comes up, we are going to be uploading that photo that we generated from Leonardo, and this is it. So once so the next thing you need to do is you're going to be typing here, speaking smiling with hand movement. Then we'll now click on generate. So each day Leonardo gives you 100 credit to do your generation. If you look closely here, you will see that I still have 40 credit left, and they're still asking me to subscribe. So if you run out of credit each day, you can just log in with another email address, or better still, you can just subscribe, because as a content creator that wants to have a seamless creation, that is the best option for you. So now we're going to be waiting for our video to be done generating. So if you look at it, you can see our video is done generating. You see the way he's smiling, talking with hand movement, and that is all we need for here. So once you're done, the next thing we need to do is to download this image. Once you're done, and all we need to do is to click on this icon. You can see the download icon here. Just click on it and download it. That's all we need for here. So all you need here is to convert to all your image to video. All you need is just 5-second video, and then you're done. So once you're done, we are moving over to the next step, which is to generate our speaking avatar. So the last step of this tutorial is to go to your Google and type dream face. We are going to generate our video now. So remember, we are using Android for this creation, so just click on this particular one, this dream face. Click on it. Once it opens this way, the first thing you need to do is to click on the 3 buttons and put it on the desktop site, so that you'll be able to have access to everything that this site has to offer. So once it opens, you can now zoom it in. You see this AI video, you click on try it now. The next thing we do is to click on this place. Then you can now upload from your PC set. So we are going to be uploading our image right here. Our image or video, in this case is video, we are going to be uploading. So let's go and select that video that we already downloaded, which is this. So I'll click on done and then allow it to load. So now it has loaded. The next thing we have to do is to click on audio. You can just type in a text here if you want to use your text, but in this case we already have our audio, so I'm going to be clicking on audio, and then I'll click on upload audio or video. So I'll come here and select that audio that I already downloaded from Minimax. So now I've added the audio, so I'm going to be testing the audio to be sure that's the right one before generating.
Can you imagine having an AI avatar that looks and talks with realistic facial expressions and hand movements just like you?
So now I'm going to click on generate. Alright, so let's test it out and see.
Can you imagine having an AI avatar that looks and talks with realistic facial expressions and hand movements just like you?
If you have gotten value from this video, do well to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Like this video and make a nice comment. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to use a very simple picture editing skill to show you how you can do a realistic face swap so that your content will have personal connection with your audience. Don't forget, I remain your one and only editing Leoness, Akugoma.